Hey, I'm Colin Stewart. I'm editor of the Erasing 76 Crimes blog, which is based in Southern California, but it covers LGBTQ rights issues, especially in Nigeria, in Cameroon, in Uganda, and in Jamaica. I do love Jamaica. I especially love the LGBT rights activists in Jamaica. They are so nice. They are so persistent. I'm thinking of Father Sean. I'm thinking of Angeline Jackson now. Angeline Jackson Whitaker. Yay. And of course, Maurice Tomlinson. So what? Love up Jamaica. And now you get the heart symbol as demonstrated with arthritic hands. This is the best you get. There you got it. Oh my gosh.